Today, we'll take a look at how to install your Zurn ZG6900 series sensor faucet with gear-driven ceramic cartridge. This installation refers to the following 8 models. Before we begin, here are some of the great features you'll experience with your new faucet. Easy Gear technology offers a gear-driven ceramic cartridge that's less susceptible to debris and buildup for ease of maintenance. Sensor activation minimizes surface contact, helping to reduce germ transmission. Our Bluetooth app is standard and offers point-of-use wireless programmable setting updates. Quiet water flow and soft close technology eliminates water hammer. Hydropower technology delivers sustainable performance by providing renewable, uninterrupted hydropower. Before we begin, remember, all plumbing is to be installed in accordance with applicable codes and regulations. Please read the instruction manual completely prior to installation. Here's what's included with your sensor faucet. Models differ, so please refer to your installation guide. You'll want to have these tools handy for installation. First, carefully remove the spout nut cover from the faucet body. Install the spout onto the faucet body by turning the spout nut clockwise with your adjustable wrench. Feed the spout nut cover over the spout back onto the faucet body as seen here. Align the small hole on the spout nut cover to the set screw on the back of the faucet body. Use the hex key to lock the spout nut cover in place by turning it clockwise. Next, carefully screw the aerator into the spout using the aerator key. Prior to installation, turn off the water supply to the existing faucet, then remove the existing faucet if needed. Clean the faucet basin and clear any debris. Before installing the new faucet, flush all supply lines to clear any debris. Install the faucet into the sink, making sure the base gasket is in place. Under the deck, slide the plastic mounting washer onto the shank. Make sure the slot in the plastic washer is facing forward and that the sensor cable is routed through this slot. Next, install the star washer and the mounting nut. For ACA configurations, the faucet location needs to be within a 3-foot radius above an electrical outlet. Connect the hydropower module to the electronics box. Turn the swivel nut counterclockwise to secure. Next, connect the electronics box power cable to the hydropower module as seen here. Open the battery box using the hex key. Install AA batteries in the electronics box as shown. Pro tip, do not mix lithium and alkaline batteries. Use one or the other. Next, attach the electronics box and hydropower module to the shank. Connect the water line. Once again, make sure the sink is clear of tools and debris and is in normal operating condition. Remove the protective film from the sensor lens if needed. Now we can turn on the water supply to the faucet. Connect the sensor cable from the electronics module to the sensor cable from the spout. At this point, your faucet should be ready to use. If you need to adjust the sensor range, here's how to do it. Place and hold the magic magnet in the upper right-hand corner of the sensor. An indicating light will activate when the magnet is positioned correctly. Wait until the light starts to blink and then remove the magnet. The faucet has now entered calibration mode. Place a target such as a piece of cardboard or your hand at the desired activation range in front of the faucet sensor. Wait approximately 10 seconds during the calibration cycle. Do not move the target during this period. Calibration is complete when the light stops blinking. Confirm the new calibration distance by moving the target back and then slowly forward until the faucet activates at the desired calibration distance. Well, that's it. Your faucet is ready to use. Thanks for joining us. You can visit Zurn.com for more product resources.